Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is the answer key of online assessment number 1. In question number 1, you have to write this equation first. Y is equal to kx square, you will get 1 mark. Then you will put the value of x and y to find the value of k. By doing this, you have to show all the working. If your value of k is correct, you will award yourself 1 mark. Then you will put the value of k in this equation to get this relation. So this is part 1, which will award you 3 marks if all the steps are correct. In second part, you will put the value of x in this equation and you will get the value of y. And in third step, you will put the value of y in this equation and you will get the two values of x. If you have not written plus minus sign, you will deduct half mark from this. Similarly, in question number 2, solving part 1, you will award 1 mark for each step. In between these two steps, there are different steps working which you have to show. In part 2, you will put the value of y and you will get the value of x, and in part 3 you have to tell which two variables are inversely proportional. So y square is inversely proportional to cube root of x. Question number 3 is a question of compound proportion. We have solved these questions by using these two methods. One is arrow method and one is proportion method by definition. So if you have written these quantities, you have put the correct values and you have marked the correct arrows, then you will award yourself 2 marks. Then after this, you will write an equation. X over 5 is equal to 7 over 2 multiplied by 3 over 5, and then you will find the value of k and you will write this equation. Then you will get 2 marks, and simplifying these two and getting the final answer, which is 10.5, you will award yourself 1 mark. And by using this method, you will have to write this equation. This will award you 1 mark. By putting the value of x, y and z, you will find the value of k. This will give you 2 marks, and then you will put the value of k and the values of y and z in this equation to find the value of k, which is 10.5. You will award yourself 2 marks, and by doing this question, you have to show all the workings in between these steps. In question number 4, you are asked to expand and simplify. For the expansion and getting this expression in any order, you will get 1 mark, and then simplifying, that is collecting the like terms and writing this expression in any order, you will also get 1 mark. Similarly, in second part, expanding and getting this expression, you will get 1 mark, and then collecting and simplifying the like terms and getting this expression in any order, you can get 1 mark. This is already given in expanded form. You just have to collect the like terms and simplify. You will get this, and this will give you 1 mark. In question number 5, there are 2 parts and you are asked to factorize completely. Look, in this expression, from all the terms we can take 3 common, and within expression we get, within bracket we get an expression, and we will factorize this. First we will multiply 8 by 3, we will get plus 24, and then we will find 2 factors such that their sum is minus 11 and their product is plus 24, and we will break this middle term by writing these 2 factors. Now in between there are steps. You will perform all those steps, and final factorization is this. If you have not taken 3 common, then you will deduct 1 mark because your final answer is incorrect, and you will award yourself 2 marks. And this is Again, a quadratic expression, you will first find a number by multiplying the coefficient of x square and minus 8. You will find factors, and then you will choose those two factors which when multiply give you minus 8 and when you add give you minus 7, and you will write the middle term by using those factors, and then performing showing you working, you will get these factors. So this is the mark scheme. Using these guidelines you can mark your paper. Have a look at these points. Allah Hafiz.